This quick tutorial is going to run you through the basics of posing your avatar in Armorsmith Designer. Posing is a great way to display your costumes for social media before you start building. It's also great for checking the mobility of your pieces. For example, you can rotate a limb, see if a part is going to clip through other pieces before you start building. That way you can make all the necessary adjustments and know what kind of mobility you'll have while wearing the costume. To start off with, there's two preset avatar poses. You can toggle between these two poses by selecting from the menu bar and choose Avatar, Change Pose. The first option is the T-pose. This is a classical animation pose with the avatar's arms outstretched and the legs slightly together. The other is named Relaxed and has the avatar with its arms at its side and its legs in more of a relaxed pose. To start editing the pose of the avatar, simply from the menu bar, choose Avatar, Edit Pose. This will put the avatar into Edit Pose mode. Now, when you click on any part, there will be a rotation gizmo you can manipulate. I'll take a minute here and just demonstrate how the avatar can be moved around. When you're happy with the pose of the avatar, you can save that pose out. You can do this by clicking on Avatar, Save Pose. These work independent of the adjusted measurements, so you can share them with your friends or use them on different avatars. If you want to reset your pose back to the default, simply choose Avatar, Reset Pose, and you'll be back at the starting pose. To open a previously saved avatar, choose Avatar, Load Pose. Then choose the pose you'd like to load. It can also be fun to add different backdrops to create an interesting scene with your costumes for sharing on social media. You can take a snapshot of your pose and your costume by clicking the little picture icon that's up here in the top right corner of the costume view. Then choose where you'd like to save the image. That's it for this week. If you have any questions on this topic, leave us a comment down below. And if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Bye for now.